Hello my friends, today we have a 2008 Cadillac Escalade. The problem we are having is that it randomly shut off and sometimes will be hard to start. It will crank but it won't start. Upon checking the codes, engine codes, there are two codes in particular that we want to pay attention to it. It's the P0335, P0336. And both of them are for crank precision sensor circuit, and the other one is for crank precision sensor performance. Let's see if we can get start. So there it started. It had a little bit of difficulty starting. To bring you over here, I had already removed the tire, the plastic fender that goes around, so we can get a better look. And the crank precision sensor is behind the starter. That's our starter right there. So we're gonna move around this wiring that goes behind it, because that's what my crank precision sensor. We just want to wiggle this wiring, see if we can get it to shut off. It seems like we have a circuit, a wiring issue. See, right there it turned off. So I believe the connector probably has a problem. Let's see if I can replicate that problem again. So there you have it, guys. Again, I was able to replicate the problem. So what am I going to do here at the connector? I'm going to remove the wiring from the inside, so I can probably cut here the wires that I believe are doing a poor contact, and I'm going to solder them back in there. But I want to take note where they belong.